So today's topic is child care. So there is a report given by one of the institution mainly with respect to child care in relation to education, in relation to health and in relation to nutrition. Child Development Index, by which we can have a clear idea that how the child development is happening in the nation. The Child Development Index is an index combining performance measures of specific to children, mainly with specific to children in relation to education, in relation to health, in relation to nutrition. So in this particular three categories of education, of health and nutrition, we are going to understand about what is the status of children in India. To produce a score on a scale of 0 to 100, a 0 score would be the best and the highest, that means 100 will be the worst. So from the rating between 0 to 100, the rating between 0 to 100, there is ranking is given. Who is the best with respect to child care, who is worst with respect to child care. According to the recently released Child's Wellbeing Index report released by Cherian Thomas, National Directory and CEO, World Vision India said that Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh and Pondicherry topped the charts, while Meghalaya, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh featured at the bottom. So this sort of indexes, every year in prelims 2 to 3 questions will come from index. This report is given by which institution and what is the report revelations? What is the report says? What is top ranking with respect to that particular report? So that fact finding we will be giving in the coming class. About the index, the Child Wellbeing Index, a tool designed to measure and track children's well-being comprehensively. This report provides insights on health, nutrition, education, sanitation and child protection. These are the various criteria whereby we will be understanding the child and his care and his protection. The dimensions of the index include healthy individual development, positive relationships and protective contexts. It is a crucial report that can be mined both by the government and civil organization to achieve the goal of child well-being. In this particular context, I want to tell you a very important point. The malnutrition in Gujarat, the 40% of the children in Gujarat are subjected to malnutrition, nutritional deficiency disorders. Everyone knows that the Gujarat is performing state, progressing state with respect to GDP, with respect to economic growth. But when coming to the child protection, when coming to the child overall development with respect to health and nutrition, it is underperforming. So we need to know the reasons behind it. We need to know the factors behind it. So because of that particular understanding, we will be referring to the child indexes. It is a crucial report that can be mined both by the government and by the civil society to understand to achieve the targets. One of the primary objectives of this index is to garner attention to the under-researched theme of child well-being in India and inspire further academic and policy conversations on related issues, mainly child-related issues. Child-related academic researchers, scholars are very less with respect to studying of child issues. So this particular indexes will pump extra motivation so that the people will be pursuing for more research on child issues. Key findings of the report. The ranking is very important. Kerala, Tamil Nadu is one state, Himachal Pradesh, Puducherry topped the charts. These are the 4 states which topped the charts with respect to child protection and child well-being. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh and Puducherry. Whereas Meghalaya, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh feature at the bottom. The data shows that even states that are performing best in overall child well-being are not doing so well in indicators of health. So some states who are performing well with respect to child, they are underperforming with respect to health and health related issues. So the prelims point of view, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and Himachal Pradesh are well performing with respect to Child Development Index. Challenges. So what are the challenges? What are the challenges this child well-being is having? What are the challenges Indian children are suffering with? In terms of health, it has to be ensured that the child is taken care of in the first 1,000 days of the life. You know, children till they cross 5 years, under 5, that's why we will call it as under 5 mortality rate. It's very significant to understand whether the child is going to survive more. So till 5 years of age, we are unable to come to a conclusion that whether the child is going to survive or not. So In terms of health, it has to be ensured that the child is taken care of in the first 1000 days of life. Stunting is a big issue in India, and this is linked to poor sanitation and lack of safe water. These are the major problems. Whether child is going to perform, whether child is going to survive, whether the child is sanitation, child drinking water, child nutrition, these are all the challenges which India is facing with respect to children. This need to be addressed. This need urgency. This need emergency provision so that the children will be having progressive growth. If not, the next society is going to affect. Why? Because the next society is going to become today's children. So in this particular context, I want to give one mains question. The mains question is this: how to overcome the challenge of nutritional deficiency disorders in children? What are the steps taken by the government? Very, very important. In Indian society, GS paper 1, this question will come. What are the nutritional deficiency related disorders, and what are the problems faced by the children, and what are the steps taken by the government till date? Total nutritional policies, total government schemes, total midday meal scheme, everything you need to measure. The structure should be like this. First paragraph should be the statistics. What is the percentage of children suffering with nutritional related deficiencies? Second paragraph, what are the major problems with respect to nutrition? Number 3, why they are suffering? Fourth, what government need or what government took the steps? Fifth, what is your recommendations? What you are going to tell? In this particular point, you should also add the report of Niti Aayog. Then your answer will become more dynamic and you will get more marks. So my dear friends, this is my Gmail ID. There is a Telegram channel, Target GS Claims 2020. In this particular Telegram channel, we are pumping everyday current affairs with MCQs and mains questions with approach. So join in this particular group. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.